All right, we are live. Let's go. Let's go. We're live. All right, how's everybody doing? We are live in overdrive. Let's go. This is Wild Wednesdays, basically. Can we end the week green? Hope so. A very good week we will have if... how's everybody doing, by the way? Okay, we're gonna change the leverage back to 2 micros. For now, might want to start trading the ES maybe. Really might want to do that. Like, I really am tempted to trade the ES because the Nasdaq keeps screwing with me every single day. Nasdaq simply extremely volatile. I don't know about the Dow Jones, but I do know some things about the ES, you know. Ooh, gap to the downside here. Back up there, 25,000. Ooh, interesting number. Very interesting number. Deltas are all bullish, but we can become bearish quite fast. We can become bearish quite fast. What are the odds, right? I mean, right now, definitely the 15-minute chart looking great. All right, let's start a plan already. How's everybody doing? Hope everyone's okay, and hope that everybody had a great day yesterday. Hope you guys made some money. And let's go. Let's see. So here's the plan. I'm gonna mark out the levels. There's every time. Let's see. I want this to go below the 900s if I am to go short. If I am to get long, then possibly push above this 25,000 area. Push above the 25,000 here, maybe. But if I'm gonna go short, I want this to, you know, go below the view up. I don't want to long when it's above. So let's be patient, let's wait. Journey of a trader, man, it's rough. Damn, it's rough. Might want to put a trade on the ES as well, like, might want to. Trade mode. Micro ES. Might want to do that. Okay, so base hit off. I might want to trade it. I might want to hold the ES as well in case I want to trade it. Yeah, I might just do that. You know, because the ES recently has been giving us very smooth setups, and I just, you know, want to partake into it. Why not? Why not? See some opportunities into it, you know, might as well, right? 2 minutes till market open, so that's the strategy. Strategy is to be careful, watch out more for longs. Daily chart pushing, definitely hourly chart also pushing. However, maybe we pull back into the 36s, which is actually quite a deep pullback. I wouldn't want that, honestly. This looks good on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so let's change this. So I'm looking for longs today. There it is. Okay, so trade copier set on the ES as well here. Just in case this guy decides to do some nasty shit. So from this level, stop should be into the 85s, right? Yeah. Ah, markets are open. There you go. Be careful. That's all I can say. I'm also keeping an eye on the ES. I'm trading both of them. I want to trade either one. The one that looks tastier, the one that gives a clearer setup, I'm taking the trade on that one. Since they're both very similar, I really want to. I mean, there it is. There's a pullback. There's a deeper pullback. What is this gonna result into, however? Lots of volume into the 202, into the fives there, into the 25,005 area. So be careful on that one. Let's just wait and see, you know, might be another no trade day. Might be a best day to not trade, you know what I mean? Five points, 2 micros on the 5 points, 2 times 5 times, wait, what? What is this wick gonna do here, though? Like, how is this gonna end, right? That's the question. If it doesn't work, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play some games on my phone. I'm gonna play some fun games on my phone. Literally, I'm not even joking. I do not want to short anywhere, though. I do not want to go short or long when it's looking like on the 1-minute chart and it's not looking good, boys. We might have a setup. Man, the opening nowadays is painful. Might have a setup after half an hour or so. Just let the market develop itself, you know. Let it like choose a direction, kind of. Looking bad, bad, so bad. wow. Look at that. Surge into the 90s. Literally like... Come on, dude. Come on, bruh. Do something here. Let me actually check, just to safety check, right? Let me see how much is 1 micro ES. Let me see. A micro, this means that for every point that's S&P 500, the value contract changes by $5. If the index moves up, track gains or loss or loses 550. Okay, so apparently 12 here is not good enough. So 10 times 10 is a 100, so from here has to go up to make 100 points. 10 times 5 would be $50. Okay, I think it's actually good. It's actually good. Okay, the ES is actually good. Very uneventful open, boys. Extremely uneventful. God damn. Can you guys hear me good? It's 5 minutes from market open. Just be patient, you know. It's the value of every good trader. Being patient. The trait of every good trader. Be patient. The Nasdaq does not look okay right now. It looks so bad. The ES is going. Yeah, I get it, but... Sheesh. I don't know why, but I'm tempted to take a short. I don't want to, though. I don't like the ES doing what it's doing. Although this looks like a resistance that got hit, there's a chance that we can push. There's a larger chance that we can push rather than just dump. So be careful. Getting short here is actually not a good idea. Holy. Let's let it do what it wants. There's no place to trade right now. Let it do what it needs to do, and then we can talk. But right now, I just want to see. I just want to wait and see. Wait and see, boys. Wait and see. No harm in waiting. Never been a harm. Never been something bad to wait. Just wait. Okay, so we're finally making a move. We're above the view up, and I'm not comfortable short above the view up. That's the only reason. And speaking of, we pull back exactly where I said we will pull back, into the 35s. Quite literally in the previous area of support. Be careful getting short, like I said. Hey, Angel Avila, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. Enjoy. Haven't seen you in a bit in the chat, but enjoy the live stream. Be careful. Yeah, you're eating there. See something that you're eating. Sending something that you're eating. Great, great. Yes, such a lagger. Yes is lagging a little bit, but not much. But Nasdaq is already going, so you know. Also, so now the question is, can we what? Can we do what? Yeah, let the candlesticks develop. The yes is stuck in a tiny little range. Not much happening right now, just stuck in a range. That's it. Okay, so let's see if this will be a good opportunity to short, since we pull back into this area here. Let's see what happens. There's the 60s. Seems like we got someone filled in there. Did someone buy or something? Did someone buy something or? Oh, the ES is going. Okay, bet. Bet. Okay, so now this might be a reversal here. All we gotta do is get above this point. Get above the 90s. Like if this is a reversal, has to get above. Holy, relax. Wow, this is such a manipulated little crap. Okay, so the ES is pushing. Great, fine. Not getting short. Although it did look like a great short, I'm not gonna break my own rules and short above the view up. Just respect that rule. We all know what happens when you disrespect a rule. None of us wanna know. Yes is going here. No place too long on the ES either. Not much opportunity either on this guy. That's the thing. Oh, you got stopped out there. Ah, that is brutal. Brutal. That is brutey brute. Ouch. Wow, dude. What? What? I so hate this. I so hate this. Let me just move away from the chart. Let me actually play a video of, not a video game. Look at that. View of bounce. Oh, it's real. For real. And the price action is looking bad. Hell. The point is, we get below the 900 area, there's a good chance we can move lower. But until then, I am now waiting. And if we want to go long, then move above the 90s is a key move for us. So if this wants to go, this has to push above the 90s. Meaning above here. You push above this guy, and I'm gonna also mark up this guy here. Okay, just so that we, you know. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there you go. There's a push. There's a good old push. The chop before the actual move. Gotta love it, boys. What about now? Well, like I said, waiting above the 90 area. 90 area looks pretty good for a move up there. Just wait and see, right? You know how I like it, boys, right? You guys know how I like it. I like this to push above, you know, and then come back, retest into the 90s, and then I want us to go. Okay. You guys know how I like it. Oh my days. What? Oh my god, dude. This is no this is no wow. Wow. Good lord. Good lord. What was that? Whoa. Nasdaq is not even the ES is volatile. Like genuinely, wow. If the ES is like doing the same thing, it's like wow, this is not good. We're just gonna wait for either one of these things to happen. Okay. What doesn't it have a full move, a full line or something? Like why? A horizontal line, I hate this. The fact that the line is not infinite, I hate this. The fact that I have to extend the line to keep an eye on it sucks. This really does suck. Yes, finally making a move down here. Nasdaq definitely going once the 900s area. Wow, this is such a manipulation. This is so bad. This is so manipulated. Like genuinely the amount of points that this moves is great. You could make so much money, but it's bad, dude. Like genuinely. Like what are you supposed to do? We're definitely now heading lower. Like just wait, but holy shit. What are the higher time frames saying? Like we're definitely in a range on the daily chart. I'm seeing this. I'm definitely seeing this. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Fear of missing out? Don't fear of missing out. There's some volume into the 80s here. Volume into the 900s as well. And now more volume popped into the actually, yeah, there's more volume into the 60s than we ever had. Wow, this is shit. This is really shit. The ES finally starts moving lower. Probably took out all the stops. We did make new highs on the day. I gotta play a game. I wanna play a game, guys. I really wanna play a game. What is going on? What is this? What is going on, bro? What is this volatility, dude? What is this volatility, dude? Like, I genuinely don't get it. Oh my days. I like the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Oof. 1 minute chart not looking. It's as tricky as ever. So bad. QQQ getting stuck under the view up. Hope we can stay under there. Oh my god, dude. Oh, it goes all the way back up into the 60s. Fuck. Remain stuck under there again, or what? What are you gonna do? Nope. It seems like it wants to go. But bro, just go, please, bro. Just do something. I think we went into the 900s, went up there into the 900s, but the way we went into the 900s is so bad. Huh. I genuinely, like... I think what we did, basically, we tested the 900 on the dot, and now we're gonna push. I think that's what's happening, essentially. Because, if you look on the on the 2 minute candle, on the 2 minute chart, you will see a massive 50 point on the dot candlestick. Oh wow, and delta's like pretty much negative, and all deltas are like chop, chop, chop. That's all I'm seeing right now. Delta on the 1 minute chart is negative, but also on the 2 minute chart, but on the 3 minute chart it wants to go positive. Oh lord, no. I'm not having it. Not with this. And as you can see, we are ranging in between this. So these two ranges here, thank God that we actually placed the lines. And because these lines are what's keeping us safe for the moment. Okay? And we're gonna take trades in accordance of those lines. Because as you can see, if you're looking at it, let me enlarge in this line, like genuinely. Let me make this. So as you can see, we went there, we flopped back up, and as you can, I was willing to take a trade only out of this range, because that's the confirmation that we're choosing a direction, right? And here, if we're choosing a direction as well, then I want to see this push above I wanted to push just slightly, maybe in here into the 10s, then come back into the 90s. On that, I'm willing to try a long Nasdaq. That's what I'm trying to achieve. That's the plan. Okay, that's the plan. Choose your direction, dude. Come on, choose it. Don't be a shit ass. Don't be a shit ass. Yeah, thank you for the like, boys. Oh my god, thank you so much for 52 subs. Let's get to 60. Let's get to 70. Let's get to 80. Let's try it. Let's see. Can we get to 60 subs? If we can, then 100 is possible. Thank you guys so much. Couldn't do this without you guys. As you can see, we're pushing. We're at the range that we talked about. Market happening in our face right now. Pretty neat. Pretty. It's not clean. But it's like, it's impressive the way it moves. It's really impressive. As you can see, getting stuck. Getting through it. We need strong now. Strong. We need strong. We need to like push into the 10s here. Like into the 10s. There we go. And then give me some structure to play upon. Yeah, just keep like push a little bit more. Like push a little bit more and then give me some structure to play with. So far we pushed up there into the, yeah, we pushed basically into the 10s. Now give me some structure. Now build up some structure. Like give me some way that I can see, okay, I can enter here. Just do it. Give me some structure. Gonna check some more charts here. Because the way I'm seeing this is not a clean, like, it's not a viable pullback. Like, you don't know what's gonna happen, and there's a high chance you can lose trades like that. It just doesn't give you the safety net. It's like, okay, if you're gonna go, but give me something, right? Give me something to play. The ES is going. That's great. Good to know. Okay, so as you can see, we're going 90s. Like I said, now it looks good. Now looks good for a pullback into this, right? Gonna set 2 micros here, just in case. Because right now we're shooting higher, but I want like something, right? Something that says, hey bro, I'm just pulling back, I'm coming back for you. I'm gonna pick you up from the 90s and then go on from there, right? That's the goal. ES has to pull back at least into the 41s here. Maybe on the ES we'll have a good setup. Actually, you never know, right? You never know. You never know. You never know. We're at the all-time highs. Okay, great. Now, what's the next? What's next, right? That's what I want to know. What's next? There you go. Sell to stop. What? Let me see. Yeah, sell to stop. I'm committing to this trade in general, but let me see, from the 90s you get 10 points, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, I have a chance to get something good out of this, but 42s, 2 points, 4 points. Okay, so if we these are the trades that I want to take in retrospect. That is if it happens, right? But I also, like, to which point would the Nasdaq be wrong if it doesn't happen the way we want to? Like, to which extent will my trade go wrong, right? To which extent? Now it's like the 25,000s. Flat on, right? I don't know even if I'm gonna even get filled. That's the thing. Good thing we're making all-time highs. I mean, that was the overall idea, but fuck. Now it's like, are you kidding me? Are you just gonna begin like yesterday to go on non-stop without stopping, or what are you gonna do then? Those are the trades that I want to see happen. My own perspective. Like, I'm willing to take, yeah, okay, I'm willing to take 3 trades, right? I'm willing to take 2 trades, right? One here, one here. It's like I'm risking 70 plus 50, but the exchange would be great, you know. Alright, brother, show us something. Otherwise, I'm just gonna take my sidelines. I'm just gonna take my sidelines day, and just get on moving. If this doesn't, you know, do something. Like, I'm willing to take a larger risk by trading 2 instruments at once. But what's the idea, right? Like, it is a little bit bigger risk. It's true. The way this market behaves right now, it is insane. I don't think I'm gonna get filled. I don't think I'm gonna get filled on either of them. Updates. Hey, Angela Villa, looking for updates. As you can see, no trades taken. I do have planned a couple trades here. Like, I'm waiting for the market to come pick me up on these levels here. Like, I just want to get long on the Nasdaq. I want to get long at the 90s. On the ES, I want to get long at the 42s. And basically, no trade. So we didn't lose money. We didn't make money today. It's trash. And I don't even know if these two trades are gonna happen right here. So, because the market just keeps going and going and doesn't pull back, I don't know if it's gonna happen. It just goes, right? There's no safety. But no trades taken. That's the update. And as you can see, I'm just waiting for the market to come back and pick me up. But clearly it doesn't want to. This is the worst days that I also had today. So again, we might keep the accounts by not trading. Just sometimes you will be profitable just by not trading. Literally. Like, look at these, bro. Oh, man. This is ridiculous. Like, I think right now these trades are a wish.com thing. Something that you buy off Amazon that doesn't exist. That's how I see those trades. Now it just won't return, right? It just won't. As you can see, it's exactly the same as yesterday. We had the same exact thing yesterday too. Oh my... Okay, nah. You know what? I might just cancel these. I'm gonna cancel those. I don't care. They're not happening for sure. That's all I know. They're not happening. And the market pulls back so deep. Like... What? 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 That's all I can ask. Like, what? Like, how do you even get these? These are micro pullbacks, micro pullbacks, micro. Look at this. This just doesn't stop. And now if I get long here, it's gonna pull back and screw me over. So it's like, if I pull back here and I set my stop into the 25,000s, this would have pulled back into me and it would have stopped me out. But now that I didn't get a trade, of course it does. Of course it goes up higher. Just look at this. This is pathetic. This is stupid. You gotta watch the market every day, like, annoying after a point. And I just really right now, I want to shut down every single chart. I want to just quit. I want to just go for the day and come back tomorrow. Like, I genuinely don't like this anymore. Like, this is not, like, just to show here, I'm not even gonna take a trade, so I'm not gonna bother showing the broker anymore. If I take a trade, I'll tell you guys. But fuck. Okay. Right here. Does this seem normal to you? Like, hey, like, it's just so bad. Yeah. Just look at this. This is this is unbelievable. Like, do it, like, screw you. Like, even the ES is doing the same thing. This ain't normal, fellas. This ain't normal. Oh, what do we have here, bro? Sincerely, I just want to be playing a game. Wow, wow, this is just bullshit. This is bullshit. This is genuine bullshit. I honestly want to take everything and leave. Like genuinely. Like I'm so fed up with this. I'm fed up. I'm fed up with this trash market. Looks like we're finally gonna pull back. Like, thank you, but that's not what I needed. Like, you give me just trash, trash, trash. Like, go screw yourself, you know. Take the money of whoever you want. You're not gonna have my money. Ah, yeah, of course. After a micro pullback, this wants to keep just going, right? Right? This is what's gonna do. Of course. Just right when I thought it's gonna pull back, now it's gonna keep going. For me to even buy a pullback right now, what would it take? Genuinely a pullback into the 27s. That's like the only credible pullback I would buy into. Ah, Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. They bought the 25,000s here. Oh my god. Into the 30s? Yeah, still okay, but look what we have here, right? We have thing we had a big rejection here, so let's keep an eye out for that. Okay. Let me watch the ES. Where is the ES trying to head out? Okay, so the ES is actually not heading anywhere right now. Actually pulling back. Like deeper, please. This is not convincing enough. This would have been convincing if this happened at the 90s. Not here. This is junk. What I'm being offered. Like, yeah, deeper. Just deeper. There's more liquidity to the downside than to the upside. Like, just do deeper, please. As you can see. Can we have a trade? Just went so bad. Just went so much into the air. Like, man. Man. My dude. Yes, yes, thank you, bro. Deeper, yes. I want to try it. I'm gonna just move this to break even because I don't trust it. I really don't. Maybe set my take profit up there. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course it did. It did it. Of course this little fucker did this. Pulling back and then doing this shit. Of course. Let's wait and see. Do we get another opportunity? Of course I get stopped out even. Of course. It's a stanky market, bro. It's a stanky rat. I'm not gonna lie. It's a stanky ass bitch, bro. The ES looks okay. Keeping my eye on the ES because the ES has a good chance to give us something much better than this bastard here. The break-even bastard, let's call it that. Okay. Okay, where are you gonna go, bro? Come on. Show me where you're gonna go. Dude, I so don't trust this. See? I so don't trust this. Where are we gonna do next? Okay, I'm gonna try it long on the ES. ES is slightly looking better, but I don't trust it either. So I'm gonna move my stop in here into the 57s. Yes, looking slightly better, as if, you know, it's like, hey bro, don't go to my brother, come to me, but I'm not really sure. I'll take the stop. If it comes, I'll just take it. Will it get stuck? That's the question. Nasdaq is going. Shocking. The stop is glitched. Hello? Finally. Even the platform's broken. Stop me at break even. I don't trust this anymore. Yeah, thank you. Alright. We're done for today. We're so done. Okay. We're just doing nothing right now. I'm done. Yeah. After this type of push, you know, it's like, do I trust it? No. That's the thing. Don't. Took 3 trades, break even on the day again. Gotta be patient. You know, it doesn't always work out the way you want it to, but at least we give ourselves a chance. Okay, so now we're gonna go over each and every single one of these accounts. And all we're gonna do is exit all. We only got 6 of them, so. The Nasdaq, however, is scaring the shit out of me. Scaring the crap out of me, boys. And I've seen this pattern before on the ES as well. Every time it does this, it will tend to pull back deeper. Always. I don't know why. I've seen this pattern before, and patterns, you know, they repeat. I'm not a big believer in head and shoulders, but there we go. I'm gonna disable my trade copier. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow. Disappointing. Come on, man. Come on, man. Bro, if this setup happened here, oh, that would be juicy. That would be juicy. Yo, how's everyone doing? Any money? Wow, dude. Wow, bro. Dude, man, just fucking okay. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Um, I'm done trading. That's it. I'm just gonna close my broker, and that's it. All right. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning. Take care, everybody. I will be seeing you guys tomorrow for Thursday. It's not Wild Wednesdays today. It's definitely wild, but not wild the way we want it to. It's definitely boring and wild. I mean, dude, 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 dude.